the joke for you. Traffic is mad. I'm going to trek for like 80 minutes. 20 minutes. If I get to my destination. It's because they're fixing the road. That's why you're seeing it. See, because of the traffic, I want to drop from my car. Because traffic. We are coming to Lagos. Because the traffic. That's why a lot of people don't like staying in Lagos because of the level of traffic. That's why if you are going to anywhere, you have to leave your house on time. Because if you don't, this is what you experience. Like I'm experiencing it now. I just want to go to I was about to pay money for a person before. Iya na, baga. Naga dito yun eh. Okay. Em thấy rồi con là. So I have to come down from the car and then jump traffic. So that's why you see me going like this. Trying to avoid this traffic. There's a place that was supposed to pay 200, but because of the traffic, I have to trek. But now I still save my money. Oh, when I was coming. Those would be the physical carries. So like this sky is blocked. This guy wants to reverse and those people are selling beer, so it's kind of crazy. Let me just rush past people. So I want to stay close to the road so that you guys can see the traffic. Comment and share, subscribe. So you know what is causing this traffic? It's not something serious. It's because they are fixing the road. That is why you can see this kind of traffic. It's just because they are fixing this road. Because of construction. That's why we are experiencing this kind of traffic. In a matter of time, everything will be over. Hopefully, the traffic will reduce. Let me come this side before somebody will come and join. But when I get to where they are playing that song, I'll mute my sound. That's all. So, because this road is under construction, I can see everywhere it's because of the construction. That's why you're having this kind of rough traffic out road. So that's what we're experiencing right now at Lekki Ajah Expressway. So this is what we're experiencing. Well, maybe in a few minutes everything will be up and we'll move well. Subscribe, share to friends and family. So there's a big shop. What do you think? Do you think this road should be done at night or at midnight? Or if the road should be done in the morning? Time. This bridge. At this point now, I'm not going to what I'll do, I'll go to where I'm doing the construction so you see costs. Thank you for watching. So now at this point, everybody this is where they are coming. So when they reach this point, everybody takes one lane and they move. You see, they divert to the other side. They all take one lane. So to me, I'll just show you. You see, now it's going one lane. So you see where they're doing the construction. You see all the machines are using here. I'm not sure they even come to work today. So now all the cars that you saw at the park, there were, can I say, three lines. They're all coming to this one lane. So that's why sometimes when you stop somebody to carry you, they just look at you as if something is wrong with you. But when that's the experience, Lagos experience. Well, we love it the way it is. Because a lot of people are trekking because we couldn't wait for that kind of huge traffic. So if you are going to Ekpe, I don't think you have that kind of huge traffic. You not experience that. But if you are coming from Ekpe, from Sangotedo down to Yakoi, you'll see a bit of traffic, which you will spend like 11 minutes. So if you can see, this is one of the, I call it shop, construction machine. So because of this traffic, not that it was intentional, it's because the road is going, it's under repairs here. Almost that road. Yes. That is why you're seeing this kind of huge amount of traffic. You see. This guy's doing a great job. There's a massive construction is going on here. Massive. All those capital, is it bulldozers they call them? Look at them packed. And some of them are up there. They are doing a great job. See all those iron? They will put them and then mix cement and then cast it. They're doing a solid job. So we hope the road done very soon. And we'll all enjoy the immigrations. Yeah, so I've trekked because I want to give you guys full updates of this my little experience of trekking on the road. So swimming pool, they can't be patient. Okay, so I believe who are coming from. Hey, Oga. What is that? You did
No, my
this
friend,
town?
don't touch your big pass. So,
You did this town?
I don't remember me. I see your guys well.
Please.
That one. The other one, they say I was what? The other boy where maybe one I did together that time. Still double rent house or that do it for me.
Yeah.
You see, the other guy and they come and say, if I say a pen, you know the guy where I talk.
Kachi.
Catch you.
Kachi.
But this one, I see, so say I know fit mineral. This one, what you
Today,
like? Who I go see? You know how long we don't. No, the year what does it last?
We'll go see again.
Not yet.
We'll
No
go
more
see
than 5
again.
years old.
No, we'll go see again. Let me play. Maybe Lagos today. Thank you, sir. Yeah, one in my place. So can you see? Construction is going on very well. Not that those people are not doing it, they are doing good job like every day. The only day that you don't see them at work is only Sundays. Apart from that, every day, they are always here every day. Only sometimes do their job. Oh God. Well, it's kind of exercise to me though. Let's see. I see them. How is it? I needed to run for my life. Because the post don't care for me to stay. You see them, like I said, those guys are working, they're doing a good job, man. So people are coming from yeah. We experience the same thing. It's kind of hold on.
As I got that place. As I got that place,
So this is where I went this live video. It took me 2 minutes to get to this place.